In this video, I'll show you what to do if your warning battery red light comes on your dashboard. A lot of people think you have a battery problem, but it's not. You got three things there to check. You're gonna check the Serpentine Belt driving the alternator to turn. You're gonna show you the fuse, if the fuse is blown, and then we're gonna check the battery output of your alternator. Your belt is located right below the coolant. Right there. See? This is your alternator and this is your belt. The belt is not broken. If the belt is broken, you don't see the belt there anymore. See, I tested there. See, I got some tension in it, so the belt is okay. Now you're gonna check the fuse. The fuse and relay is located in your engine compartment on the left-hand side. So you open the fuse box like this. You have this clip here. Read your fuse box here. There's a name in it. Okay, there's two things you're gonna look for inside the fuse box. There are ALT ICS 7.5 amp and ALT 120 amps. The 120 amp you can see through if the middle of the fuse is blown or broken. You see the solid in the middle, like a solid like silver color. If the thing's cut in the middle, it means it's blown. The ALT ICS, you have to remove it with a clip that comes in a car. See, you need this one here to remove your fuse. There, this is your fuse. See your fuse? See the it's not blown, so it's okay. See, blown you can see it's broken. This thing will break into pieces. It's not blown. So now we're gonna check how much output we're gonna get from your battery. Okay, first we're gonna have to hook up the multimeter into the battery. So this is your battery power, 12.4. Now I'm gonna start the car now. If the alternator is charging, this thing shall go up to 13.6 to 14.1. Anything below 13, your battery is not charging. Okay, now I'm gonna start the car. See the voltage drop? It shouldn't be like that. It means your alternator is not charging your battery. You have to have at least 13.6 to 14.1 voltage coming out from your battery. If you're not getting that, it means something wrong with your alternator. You have three scenarios to find out what's wrong with your car. First, we check your Serpentine Belt. Your Serpentine Belt is okay, it's not broken. Second, we check your fuse in the fuse box, and the thing is okay, so it's not blown. Third, we check your battery output from the alternator. We're just getting 11 volts from the battery. It means your alternator is not putting some voltage and amps to your battery. If your voltage is below 13 volts, in my multimeter, when you check the output of your battery, you need a new alternator. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe.